Hi everyone, I just created a wrap style for this look. Super easy to do, keep watching. So we're gonna start off by using our cheetah print wrap, the Luxe velvet one, which is so yummy and comfortable. We're gonna put it on with both tails even, leaving it a little bit further back than where the start of the velvet is from the shaper, and I'm wearing the Boo Boo Mousse underneath. And then we're gonna bring both tails up, hold it taut, and we're gonna crisscross just like this. And then after we crisscross, we're just gonna adjust these pieces so they don't show. Fold it underneath itself. Okay. At this point, you can leave, if you want like a really high turban twist, you can totally leave it up here. If not, you can just basically push it down so it goes more towards the back, and it'll help to create a flatter look. Then we're gonna take both tails to the back. We're gonna make a knot. And then you can choose which side you want to leave your tails on, or you can actually leave them down on both sides. I prefer one of my sides, which is usually my left side, as you all know by now. And I'm just gonna tuck this into itself, adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. And that is it, super easy, very comfortable. You can wear it with a variety of different volume shapes. I love the effect that the velvet gives. I didn't do such a good job at tucking. And yeah, perfect to go with like all black outfits, which is what I do a lot. And I hope you enjoyed.